Hi everyone, my name is Olivia. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that third generation Acura MDX SUVs are prone to experience. Number 1. Some 2019 and 2020 models were recalled in the US due to a defective in-tank fuel pump that is prone to malfunction and experience premature failure, causing the engine of the vehicle to stall while driving due to lack of fuel. The repair consists in replacing the defective fuel pump with a new improved replacement and a new wiring harness. Number 2. The white diamond pearl exterior paint in some 2014 to 2016 models is prone to bubble and peel off, causing the need to have the vehicle repainted. Number 3. The timing belt in some 2014 to 2019 models tends to make a chirping sound after the engine warms up. Installing a shim behind the timing belt idle pulley usually solves the problem. Number 5. The internal components of the steering column gearbox in some 2014 to 2016 models are prone to experience premature wear, causing screeching noises when the steering wheel is turned or adjusted. Replacing the worn steering column gearbox with a new one solves the problem. Number 6. The front brake rotors in some of these SUVs are prone to warp when exposed to heavy and frequent braking conditions. Replacing the OEM brake rotors with high-quality vented aftermarket replacements, like the set shown on the screen, solves the problem. Number 7. The engine-mounted high-pressure fuel pump in some 2014 to 2018 models is prone to become noisy over time and needs to be replaced. Number 8. The front sway bar end links in some of these SUVs are prone to experience rapid wear, causing suspension rattling noises when driving on uneven roads and when driving over bumps. Replacing the worn sway bar end links with new ones solves the problem. Number 9. The CV butts are prone to tear over time, causing dirt and water to enter, damaging the CV joint. Replacing the damaged CV joint and installing a new boot or replacing the complete CV axle with a new one solves the problem. Number 10. The batteries inside the TPMS sensors tend to lose the charge over time, causing the TPMS light to illuminate in the instrument panel. Replacing the old TPMS sensors with new one and programming them to the vehicle solves the problem. Those are 10 common problems that third generation Acura MDX SUVs are prone to experience. Have a wonderful day.